Sanibonani again, Bongappetit. It's on a new episode. Namhlanje I'm making a very easy meal, like under 15 minutes, cost effective. It's less than 150 rand to make. So I'm making a chicken basil pesto pasta. So these are my ingredients for my chicken basil pasta. I've got olive oil, I've got garlic, I've got chilies just to give it a kick. I've got onions, I've got oregano, I've got sun-dried tomatoes, I've got your normal baby tomatoes, chicken breast, basil pesto, I have mushrooms, I've got my penne pasta, which is my favorite pasta. You can do any pasta. It can be taglatelle, it can be macaroni. Then this is my thickener. So this is my maizena, then this is my cream, and this is my salt and pepper for seasoning.
Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen.
Boiling water, salt for seasoning, add oil. So then I'm adding my pasta. You don't want your pasta to be overcooked. So I will say my pasta, I'll put it for 6 minutes. 6 minutes. So now I'm putting all the ingredients. So my pan is hot. I've put in oil. I've put in garlic. It smells wonderfully. And I've put onions. So my onion is translucent now. Then next what's going, I'm gonna put my oregano for aroma, flavor. I love making pasta. I love making pasta dish because I love Italian music. I love Andrea Bocelli. I love Pavarotti. Every time when I'm making pasta, sometimes I think I'm Pavarotti. Now I'm gonna be adding my chilies. Then I'm gonna be adding my sun-dried tomatoes. So let's check on our pasta. Because you want your pasta to be al dente. You don't want your pasta to be mushy. You don't, oh yeah, perfect. So you see now when your pasta is al dente, it's showing this white color. So I'm gonna add mushrooms. In my mind, sometimes I think I've been to Italy, but I've never, because I love Italian food. So now what I'm gonna add my chicken. This is my favorite sound in the kitchen. Like pasta dish, everybody, like from kids to mom to dad, everybody enjoy pasta. And the nicest thing with the pasta dishes, they don't take too long. Less than 15 minutes, even when you're tired coming from work. Making pasta will take you to 15 minutes. Now salt and pepper for flavor, for seasoning. Then pepper. Nazo. I love the smell. I love everything in here. So now send add the basil pesto. Basil pesto, yangena phakathi manje. Because remember, we're making a chicken basil pesto pasta. Oh, the smell is amazing. We're gonna put some cream. It's for cream manj. This pasta, it's a creamy pasta. So the cream, what it's do to my pasta is give it the creaminess to my pasta. So now I'm gonna add maizena. Maizena is just to thicken my sauce. Bese ngiyayimixa. Then the sauce is thick. Then pasta is going to my chicken mix. Making pasta dish, you can make it like on a very cold day, so because it's warm and it's easy to cook. So we let our pasta simmer for a good 2 minutes, then it's good to go. Let me dish up my pasta. So I'm just gonna add basil pesto. Then I'm gonna garnish it with my oregano. Oh my God, I can't wait to dig in. So my chicken pasta is ready. So just a quick recap on the ingredients. For my pasta, I use penne pasta. it can be pasta of your choice. You can either use taglatelle, can use fussili. So my favorite pasta, I use penne. So I use cream, roast cream, sun-dried tomato, basil pesto, onions, chilies, and maizena just to thicken up my pasta. And this dish, guys, it's just under 15 minutes and it cost you less than 150 rand. Thank you for tonight. Your boy Ubonga from Bongappetit. Goodbye.